Hi there, it's Josh here at the Classic Competition Company, and we have a lovely prize for you guys to take part in. This is a 2016 Norton Commando 961 Sport, and this one can be won on our website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com, for just £2.99, and the date that the draw will take place is the 17th of May 2026. This particular bike is very low mileage, it's got under 5,000 miles on the clock. It's in this lovely Manx style silver with the iconic black and red pinstripes. Overall very nice condition, got the nice Olin dampers, nice carbon front mudguard. It's a very attractive looking bike. And what we'll do now, start her up, you can have a little listen. So it's been warmed up for a little while. They do kind of need warming up until you can rev them out so they get a little bit fluffy. So what we'll do, pull our clutch in, press our starter. There we are, give you a little listen. There we are, modern sounding air-cooled twin there. So yeah, if you like your modern British kind of classic bikes, the sort of bike you'd be interested in, like I said, the draw will take place on the 17th of May. Tickets are £2.99 if you do enter. Thank you for your support as always, and good luck.